Have you ever felt like your finances are on autopilot, money slipping through your fingers without a trace? You're not alone. Between forgotten subscriptions, hidden fees, and the ever-present urge to splurge, keeping your finances in check can feel like an uphill battle. That's where financial management apps like Rocket Money come in. They promise to be your knight in shining armor, slaying the dragon of wasteful spending and helping you build a healthy budget. But with so many options on the market, a crucial question arises: how exactly does Rocket Money make money? Understanding their revenue model can shed light on whether they're truly there to empower you or if there's something else at play. Now, Rocket Money likes to advertise itself as a free service, and to a certain extent, that's true. You can download the app, connect your bank accounts, and track your spending without spending a dime. But here's the thing: free often comes with strings attached. Let's peel back the layers and see how Rocket Money gets its coins. The freemium funnel, a one-way ticket to premium? Rocket Money operates on a freemium model. This means the basic features are free, but to unlock the real power, you gotta pay. Their free service offers transaction tracking, budgeting tools, and some basic bill negotiation assistance. Think of it as a free appetizer. It gives you a taste of what Rocket Money can do, but it's not enough to keep you satisfied. If you want the real meal, the concierge service for canceling subscriptions, automatic bill negotiation with higher savings potential, and fancy expense categorization tools, you gotta upgrade to their premium membership. And that membership doesn't come cheap. Prices can range anywhere from $4 to a whopping $12 a month, depending on the level of service you choose. That might not seem like much on its own, but over a year, it can add up. The negotiation game, a piece of the pie every time. Here's another way Rocket Money makes money: bill negotiation. While the free service offers some basic negotiation tools, the real magic happens with premium. Their team of bill negotiators supposedly uses their expertise to score you lower rates on things like cable, internet, and phone bills. Sounds great, right? Well, there's a catch. If they're successful in reducing your bill, Rocket Money takes a cut of the savings, anywhere from 30% to a hefty 60%. So, let's say they manage to shave $100 off your annual cable bill. You'd be saving money, sure, but Rocket Money would pocket between $30 and $60 for their efforts. Is it worth it? That depends on your negotiation skills and the size of the potential savings. The elusive savings account, not a free lunch. Rocket Money also promotes a smart savings account. This high-yield savings account sounds like a great way to grow your money, but there's a hidden cost. You see, while they might offer a competitive interest rate, you'll need to be a premium member to access it. So, again, the free features are like a gateway drug, luring you into the paid services. The bottom line: is Rocket Money right for you? Look, Rocket Money can be a valuable tool, especially if you struggle with managing subscriptions, forget to negotiate bills, or simply want a more automated approach to budgeting. But here's the thing: the free features might be enough for some people. If you're disciplined about tracking your spending, comfortable negotiating your own bills, and have a separate high-yield savings account, the premium features might not be worth the cost. Do your research, compare options, and most importantly, understand how Rocket Money makes money before you decide to upgrade. There are plenty of free budgeting apps and resources available, and you might be able to achieve similar results without the monthly fee. Remember, financial wellness is a journey, not a destination. The key is to find tools and strategies that work for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.